everyone, and welcome to Dabna Films. Okay, so I bought this backpack, this Mini Kanken Backpack for my toddler about a month ago. If you haven't already checked out my unboxing video review slash what's in my toddler's backpack video, I highly recommend it. Check it out. I'll put the link in the description box below. Okay, so as you may know, this Mini Kanken Backpack is a bit pricey. And when I splurge on an expensive item like this one, I do everything in my power to try to keep it as clean and as new as possible. But as you can see, since the backpack is for my toddler, it is already dirty. It got dirty and it hurt when I saw this. It's just a little bit dirty here, and what else? And right here on the side, on the back, I mean. This is definitely for my shoes. I'm guessing this is like from chalk, because she was close to her chalkboard when this happened. So it's like chalk dust. And so far my experience with using this backpack is it does get easily dirty, and it does attract dirt very easily. The material, I mean, even the color, but it does get dirty very easy. But you know, I'm sure it could be easily cleaned. So that's what we're gonna put to the test today. I looked up online, I looked at their website, and according to their website, it says that all you need is water, lukewarm water, and a soft brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use this old toothbrush that I caught my daughter scrubbing the floor with. So when that happens, I usually just take it away. But anyway, and according to the website, it says they do not recommend you putting this backpack in the washer because it comes with the material is made to be waterproof. So if you put it in the washer, or it'll ruin the backpack. I'm gonna follow what I read, and what I read is lukewarm water and just scrub it with a soft brush. Let's see if that works. I mean, just water to clean my backpack? I don't know if that's gonna work, but let's find out together. So let's get started. And I'm gonna go ahead and soak the whole backpack instead of just spot clean, because I feel like if I spot clean, it's gonna be noticeable that I just cleaned one little spot. So I don't know, I like wetting the whole backpack to try to give it an even look. Okay, I keep scrubbing the front and it still looks the same to me. I'm getting worried that I might not be able to get this stain out. But let me see, let me try the back. I have this right here, this stain. This one's more like dust right here. And I didn't apply anything on here. It's just water and this brush that I haven't used at all since my daughter was scrubbing the floor with it. But it looks like it's coming off with just like regular dust. That looks like it's coming off. Yeah, see, that looks much better. Yeah, so over here it works. Just water, a soft brush that will take off any dust. Yeah, that came off. That looks good. Okay, the back is saved, but I don't really care about the back of the backpack. No one's gonna see that. Yeah, see, that worked. Just water. I don't know why it's creating bubbles. I wonder, does this have soap? That came off completely. Just water, a soft brush. But over here, right here, it's not coming off at all. I really hope it's not crayon. Okay, so here I'm obviously going to have to use some soap. And I saw another YouTube channel that they used a little bit of baby soap, baby shampoo. And I have some baby shampoo as well, but I don't have the, I believe they use the Johnson & Johnson. I have a different brand. I have Noodle and Boo, but I'm guessing it's the same. So I'm going to go ahead and try that because I'm getting really worried. This chalk dust is not coming off, and honestly, it really bugs me using the backpack like this. I don't like I said, I like taking care of my stuff, especially when they're expensive, and I really don't like using the backpack looking like this. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's try a little bit of baby shampoo right here. I'm just going to spot clean it though with the baby shampoo. I'm scared to put it everywhere. So let's go ahead and try baby shampoo here. It's hair and body wash. That's all I have in handy. And I'm going to go ahead and apply a tiny dot onto the little toothbrush. Like a little speck almost. I'm really scared of ruining my backpack. Just a tiny, ooh. So right here, tiny speck. Now let's try it. I mean, because it looks exactly the same to me. So I'm just gonna spot clean it. I really don't want to try it on the whole, I mean, it's not necessary to try it on the whole backpack. I don't think it's crayon. I'm pretty sure it's dust from the chalk. Because when I saw her, she was close to her chalkboard, dragging the backpack. So I'm gonna keep scrubbing. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes that I've been scrubbing. So I put a little bit of baby shampoo. I spot cleaned. I spot scrubbed where there was yellow. It wasn't coming off. So I added a little bit. I rinsed it. Added a little bit more baby soap, baby shampoo. I scrubbed again. And I did that 4 times. I added a little bit more. Scrubbed again, rinsed, add a little bit more, scrubbed again, rinse, and after 10 minutes, I give up. But it looks, I think it looks better than how it originally did. You know, you can still see right here, it doesn't look as yellow, but you can see the line of dust, of dirt. You can see here a little bit. And over here, it looks like it came off a little bit. Right here, it did not want to come off at all, the yellow right here. So that's stuck there forever. Here as well, I couldn't scrub that off. And everything else seems okay. And what I noticed about this backpack though, is that it dries really quickly, actually. When I was scrubbing and I was taking long, it was actually starting to dry. As you can see right now, look at it, it's starting to dry. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to look completely new. I just did it. I was just trying to get rid of some of the yellow. I don't mind the worn. I mean, it's gonna get used, it's gonna get dirty, but at least I got some of the yellow off. But as far as the baby shampoo, at least this one that I used, it didn't really work for this. But like I said, it was chalk residue and chalk dust from her chalkboard. So at least I got most of it gone. Alright, and thank you so much everyone for testing this out with me. I was really freaking out when I saw that it was dirty. If you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. What do you use to clean your Kanken backpack? And remember to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks that we could try together. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.